What's up guys? In this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best budget dash cams for car. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best budget dash cam, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. 5th product on my list, Ryza Car DVR Dashcam. The Ryza 1080 pixel Full HD Night Vision Car DVR Dashcam. 3 inches high definition LCD screen, high definition 1080 pixel high quality video recording, viewing is more convenient and safer. Using the original 3-inch display, the resolution can reach 1080 pixel. The display that records the line of defense in the driving process can clearly display the forensics, identity certification, etc. 6 speeds HD lens. Equipped with all-glass transparent lens and better filtering technology, it can effectively block the clutter in the light and maintain good imaging quality regardless of day and night. The 6-meter rear waterproof high-definition lens is equipped with LED fill light and autofill light for reversing images. Loop recording. When this feature is turned on, the memory card is full and the oldest video will be overwritten by the newly recorded video. Support maximum 32 GB TG card and amp, multiple languages. Motion detection. With the motion detection function is enabled, when the car DVR detects a moving object, it will automatically start recording video. When there is no moving object, it will stop recording and detect the moving object again. 4th product on my list, Azdome M17 Night Vision Car DVR. The Azdome M17 1296 pixel HD Night Vision Car Dash Camera. Real 1296 pixel ultra clear resolution. The machine runs stably with the video recording function during driving, does not drop frames, and effectively retains driving evidence. 6-layer Full HD glass lens. This DVR equipped with f2.0 aperture and 6 glass lens, it can greatly enhance night vision and obtain sharp, color-accurate images. There is built-in Wi-Fi inside the dashcam and you can connect to the Azdome app on your smartphone. Loop recording. DVR loop recording refers to the segmented storage of videos taken by DVR by setting the length of recording time. When the memory card capacity is almost full, the newly recorded video will automatically overwrite the earliest video to avoid insufficient storage. Day recording reduce the effects of sunlight and amp, the night recording is still clear. 24 hours parking monitoring. This mode is designed to keep the car under monitoring protection all the time while parking. Emergency lock video. When the G sensor senses the collision of mutations, shaking, rising, falling, drop and other changes, the current video will be locked and will not be overwritten, unless you delete it yourself. G sensor is a gravity sensing image recording protection system. Adjustable lens for easy adjustment of lens vision, more flexible settings. 3rd product on my list, Obdpeak M63s Ultra HD Dual Dash Cam. The Obdpeak M63s Real 4K GPS Rear View Night Vision Dash Camera. Obdpeak M63s Dashcam Dual Lens Ultra HD Real 4K Car DVR Camera, Wi-Fi GPS Rear View Night Vision WDR Video Recorder, 24H Parking. 4K 2160 pixel Ultra HD. In front vision recording mode, the max resolution is 3840 and amp, 2160. In dual vision recording mode, the max resolution for front and rear view will be 3840 and amp, 2160 and 1920 and amp, 1080 respectively. Super night vision with 3D DNR. The Obdpeak M63s achieves stunning video and vivid, clear images even in low light conditions using a 3D dynamic noise reduction tech. f1.6 aperture lens and a smart algorithm that significantly reduces image noise and automatically adjusts the exposure balance. Sony 415 sensor. Built around a powerful Sony IMX415 seamless image sensor, the M8 dashcam records 4K UHD videos with a wide-angle 170 degrees FOV. Dual lens recording. Obdpeak dual lens records video at the same time and saves it in TF card. You can view it in DVR, or connect with mobile app to view. You can also view video in computer. 24 hours parking monitor. With M63s 4K dashcam, the protection doesn't stop when you leave your car. 2nd product on my list, Pongki P A800 4K 4-inch GPS Car DVR. The Pongki P A800 Dual Lens Car DVR Wi-Fi Dashcam. 170-degree ultra-wide-angle camera provides crystal image without any delay and reduces blind spots. Comfortably monitor 3 lanes, reduce blind spots, capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. 4K UHD display, high-sensitivity 4-inch 4K 3840 mAh, 2160 pixel Ultra HD IPS touchscreen, made of high-quality material. Advanced IPS technology and high-color saturation technology that allows the screen display clearer. The new high-definition glass lens module and upgraded zoom lens make the recorder's picture free from blur and distortion under long-term working conditions. WDR significantly improve image clarity by reducing noise and adjusting exposure balance, ensure clear recording in bright and dark light and capture high-definition, realistic image. HD night vision, use night vision lens without supplement light, smart chip all-glass lens, good light transmission, sensitive sensitivity and clear imaging. The license plate is still clearly visible in any environment. GPS track, GPS system accurately records your driving data. Dedicated player, playback display is more detailed, including time, speed, and coordinates. Built-in Wi-Fi and app intelligently connects to retrieve accident videos in real time. View real-time video, playback video, or download video through the mobile app Picture-in-Picture. First product on my list, VVCAR D530 Car DVR camera. The VVCAR D530 4K video recorder GPS Dashcam. 4K HD quality, restore real driving details. Distinguished from other 1080-pixel Dashcam, VVCAR DVR provides a video resolution high up to 3840 mAh, 2160 at 24 fps, 2560 mAh, 1440 at 30 fps and 1920 mAh, 1080 at 30 fps. The shell is independently designed by a senior designer, fashionable style. 3-inch screen to prevent blocking the line of sight. With hidden design, the angle can be adjusted freely. D530 newly launched super large pixels, automatically fill light and non-light environment. The new super aperture, the light transmittance reaches 99.99%, and the license plate is still clearly visible in any environment. D530 is equipped with Wi-Fi. When encountering emergencies or accident disputes, app intelligently connects to retrieve accident videos in real time. The global satellite positioning system accurately records your driving trajectory. Dedicated player, playback display is more detailed. You can view your speed, coordinates, map track in detail. GPS track, the global satellite positioning system accurately records your driving trajectory. Dedicated player, playback display is more detailed, including time, speed, and coordinates. Sony Sony image processing chip with full HD image processing technology, with high-fidelity H.264 video encoding storage compression method, the video picture is clear and delicate. If there is a collision, G-Shock sensor will automatically blocks the file recorded video for the overwriting.